when you know what you want and why you want it, but you are not invested in how it's going to come, when it's going to be there, who's going to bring it, because those questions to which you don't know answers cause you to put engines on the other end of your train. If you're just asking and not doing that thing you do that contradicts your asking, it will come, and it will come fast. And so once you have experiences like that, and another and another and another, after a little while you start to recognize the formula. And this is the thing that someone else listening into a story has a harder time getting, because the formula that we want you to pay attention to is the emotional formula. It's the way you feel about it. That's why we say start with something easy. And by something easy, it means something that you haven't beaten to death with your doubt. Something that you're not so wadded up in that you can't find a breakthrough. Start with easy things and let the universe show you. The universe will show you the following. The universe will show you, you are your inner being's object of attention. You have our undivided attention, and we mean that. Only you are the divider of the energy. Only you can split the energy. When you ask, it is given. Question is, how do you receive the impulse? How do you be in the right place at the right time? The most productive thing that you could possibly do in terms of getting everything that you want is to do things that feel good to you.
And it's easy. It was easy.
Because this is the art of allowing, not the art of making it happen. This is the law of attraction, not the law of assertion. Believe in your ability to receive is that you begin finally to feel worthy. And once that belief clicks into place, once you show yourself the simple process of just getting in sync with what you've already asked for, and you find out how powerful and smart and specific and connected the universe is in delivering to you, when you are nice enough to yourself to chill enough that you're in the receptive mode, when you're in that flow, the path of least resistance is just the one that you follow.
All I have to do sometimes, and that's why I say it's hilarious, is if I can't find something, or I'm trying to locate, or I'm looking for some inspiration for things, if I will just sit and be still for a few minutes, I'll just say, where is it? I can go straight to whatever it is I'm looking for.
The be still is the operative word, because be still in your mind, which means no contradictory thought flowing, and then the momentum that's already established will take you to anywhere you want to be. There is nothing that you cannot be or do or have. Now that's worded a little awkwardly. You can be or do or have anything that you choose is a much nicer way of saying it, much more in alignment way of saying it. But in any way we say it and in any way you hear it, there are no limits for you. If this time-space reality, as you've been sifting through life, had the wherewithal to cause you to put something in the vortex, and it did, and universal forces and your inner being and the law of attraction have gathered up the cooperative components, and you are in that receptive mode, it must be, it must be, it must be. And so if something is not being, now you know the reasons why. You're trying too hard.